Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence, importing all preferences from home interface. Systems are now fully operational.
Pick up the phone, I really need to talk with. Guess if you're not home, I wonder where you slept last night. Are you seeing someone new?
Hello, sir.
Behind my
It's me,
back?
Jarvis.
'Cause another
How can I help
dude's
you?
for a little romance. Pick up the phone, I really need to understand.
Opening Chrome.
Never had no trust issues. Never had to break the rules. Always trying to
Closing
tell
the active
the
window.
truth and care about what I say. I've been trying to
Opening
do
Notepad
my
and getting ready to
best
take notes.
and keeping
Start
my
speaking when ready.
promises. Never want a second
You can start
guess,
speaking
but
now.
when it comes
Say
to
stop
you,
notes to finish.
I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling
Stopping note taking.
hesitant.
Closing the active window.
I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling hesitant.
Imagine you're driving a car. Your speed is constantly changing, right? Sometimes you're going slow, sometimes fast. Differentiation is like a mathematical tool that helps us figure out exactly how fast your speed is changing at any given moment. Think of it like this. Asterisk your position on the road is like a function, let's call it not. It tells you where you are at a specific time. Asterisk your speed is the rate of change of your position.
Never had no trust issues. Never had to break the rules. Always trying to tell the truth.
As an AI, I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to assist you. How can I help you today?
And keeping my promises. Never want a second guess, but when it comes to you, I've been feeling hesitant.